extraordinary to see the levels that we're getting for that wholesale gas price, raw commodity gas price in Europe, pushing past again the peaks that we saw in March when the war first broke out and surprised us all. What's driven us to this fresh peak in the last week or last few trading days?
Yeah, hi Wilfred, thanks for having me. So yeah, it's been absolutely extraordinary, the movement we have seen in the last few days for gas power. And it is related to what you said in the beginning, that now Gazprom has announced that they're going to shut down Nord Stream 1 in the end of the month, and it's already been on very low levels for close to 2 months now. So, and of course, gas and power is very connected in Europe. That's the reason why we have seen this surge in power contracts on all timescales, really. Like you see new daily records above 600 euros per megawatt hour, but also on the weekly and monthly averages, it's new records every week now and every month. So, and also longer out in time, like you said, the beginning of 2023 is looking really bleak for European power, especially in France and Germany. So that's like the short descriptions.
Finish your thought.
Yeah, like what you said in the beginning about the perfect storm is really like a good description, I would say, because you have the gas and the coal markets, which is like the price setters in many hours of the day, but in addition you have all the impact from low hydropower across the continent, low nuclear availability, and so on. So it's really a lot of factors adding up, but this is the gas price that has been like the main driver in the last few days.
In terms of there being perhaps a small silver lining, looking through some of your research, is that storage levels of natural gas in Europe are actually not too low. There has been, despite these cutbacks on the Nord Stream pipeline's capacity over the summer, there has been some success in replenishing those stores. What level of cover does that provide Europe heading into winter? Is it just marginal cover for a day or two here or there, or could it offset any attempts by Russia to really hit Europe hard during the winter months?
Yeah, the storage level is one of the really few good things in the gas market at the moment, that many of these European countries has been able to fill storage close to the targets for 1st of October and 1st of November and so on. So overall, European storage, I think, stood at 77% a couple of days ago, while in Germany, for example, it's even higher than that. So that's really the good point, that you could be able to get through the winter just with the storage. But for example, in a scenario where Russian gas is cut, those injection to storage will rapidly decrease very, very quickly, and may last through winter depending on the gas demand through the winter. But that's like the only light point in the gas market at the moment is the high storage levels, I would say.
And if Russia was to do what it's done of late and reduce Nord Stream 1 to 15–20% capacity, or even worse, do what it's going to do next week and decide for 3 days to shut it off altogether, if we were in the peak of winter, or the depth of winter, I should probably say, what would happen in Europe? Would Europe go dark? Or in fact, are there other ways in the short term that Europe could keep the lights on?
Yeah, it's a good question. So in the scenario where Russian gas is cut completely, you will have, the first reaction will be like a surge in prices, in gas prices and power prices and so on. So you will have some already like market dynamics that maybe could, reduce overall power demand and so on. But depending on how cold the winter is, and all the other factors adding up, for example, coal availability, nuclear availability, and so on, that will determine the degree of potential power rationing, for example. So I don't think it's going to be large-scale power rationing in Europe. It doesn't look like that at the moment, even in a scenario where Russian gas is cut further. So and also I think an important detail is that some countries are worse positioned than others. For example, the countries that are very dependent on Russian flows for their gas and have difficulty replacing this with volumes from for example, Norway or LNG, and that would be, for example, Germany and Italy. But other countries like the UK and Spain and France have so much regasification capacity that they're able to divert some of the Russian dependence to LNG, for example.